Size: small head diameter, 18 mm, large head diameter, 26 mm, flange diameter, 30 mm, stem length, 25 mm, fits into 9 mm hole. Please check the hole diameter prior to purchasing. High-quality material. Made of high-quality nylon that is strong while very light in weight. With the property of anti-wear and anti-corrosion, the chips would not break or crack easily during use. Vehicle fitment. Compatible with Cadillac, Escalade, Chevrolet, Avalanche, Colorado, GMCC 3500 OEM. Hashtag GM 15,733,971, 15,733,970. More specific model and year, please check the detail page below. Widely application. Commonly used for fitting side skirt, bumper, car fender, door trim panel, interior trim panel and various trim panels. Package. Including 30 sets front air deflector retainers clips. Top reviews from the United States. Clipped. Clips worked great. I wish they would have had the correct amount of clips to do the job. Short by 2 clips.